Out in the wild, a team of zookeepers works to protect the animals. But one day, their friend Jacques betrayed them and kidnapped all their animals to sell them. Now it's up to you to help the team and explore the wild to rescue the animals. Visit far-off lands and save injured animals from Jacques. Over 50 different species are waiting for your help. Take care of them in your wonderful zoo. Nurse the animals back to health and help them create happy families. Add new animals, habitats, and attract visitors from around the world. Wonder Zoo. It's a wild world out there.